Hey friends, welcome back to today's Inktober prompt. Today the prompt is slippery. While looking at the prompt, I had this idea of drawing a person who sleeps. Actually, the scene would be on an ice, so I thought of making the person wear winter clothes. So at first I did not think about male or female, but while I went on drawing, I felt let's make it a person, like a man. So that's why the clothes would look like a menswear winter clothes. So this is what the idea was for this slippery drawing. So for the first time, I think I have done a full scape of a person from head to toe. So, but even though it is head to toe, it is not on a straight front, right? Because the person is slipping. So it was a challenge for sure. I have not done this kind of an illustration lately because I mostly concentrate on portraits. I remember the third prompt was bulky, I think. So there also I sketched a person. And then again here, I do understand that it is a strong point in my drawing because I love to draw portraits. But this time around, I did not want to show most of the face. So this was the expression. When a person slips on a slippery surface, how that person might look like, how the expressions would be. So this is what I had in mind while drawing. So here is this piece. I started it with ball pens, as I always do. And then gradually I went on with the Parker ink. Parker ink, as of now till yesterday, that is the day 11, it was good. So hopefully even on 12th day you would like it. Because the end result, this time too, I have loved it. And the shadows, for the shadows I used a bit of water too. So this use of ink and water, this has been really very beneficial because this is how I wanted to draw, and that brings out the expressions very well, mostly for this kind of a sketch where a person or a complete figure is involved. So I get a lot of questions even now that are you not on Instagram? I think you guys are not checking the description. You can go and find my Instagram links, Facebook page link, and every other social media where I am available. Unfortunately, TikTok is banned in India, so I am not in TikTok. I have never been on TikTok yet, so it is now banned. Hence, you won't find me there. Otherwise, I'm almost on most of the important social medias right now. So you can find me there, you can follow me, and definitely you can share the drawings. If you have questions to ask me, you can ask me on direct messages. I will definitely try to reply you and even help you at times, because I do come online, as I said, for videos and drawings. Not during this Inktober month, because definitely all the artists who are trying Inktober, they're busy. But otherwise, I do try to come online, at least on weekends, on Instagram. So you can follow me there. For the materials, I will just like to remind you that I already had a drawing video that is before the Inktober. I will put a card here to let you know that I have described all the materials that I have used for all the drawings, and these have not changed actually. So you can get a detailed note on that. Even if you don't want to see that video and you still want to know that these are very cheap products. That is one ballpoint pen, a simple ink, a brush, and some water will do. So it is mostly about the artwork, the thought behind the process, and the actual drawing, not on the materials. So materials, it's a cliche to say, but still they are immaterial if you are not on a lot of practice. So you need to practice a lot, as I always say. So keep practicing, and definitely if you are on a social media, you should keep posting, because if you go back to the first video that I sketched, I think I made a painting of a scenery. The camera was really bad. I was not good at drawing at that time. I had had a gap of around 4-5 years of drawing. Still, I put that up because I wanted to reach out to people. But at that time I was definitely not getting commission works. Now I am getting, but that time I still uploaded. So I would always say that if you are interested in drawing and you want to draw, then please upload. If you can make a video, then you should, and then upload. And if you are able to take a photograph of it, then just take it and upload it, because that is very important. Once you start uploading, you'll have a benchmark to reach every day. So then your drawing grows. And this Inktober has seriously very much helped me. Even in 2018, I tried Inktober. That time I felt it was seriously great. I got great support. Same goes this time around, because I'm getting a very good response from every one of you. And you guys are helping me grow very fast. So please hit the like button if you like this drawing too of today's prompt, Slippery. And please share it with your friends and family, because that helps me a lot. So needless to say, if you're not subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button. It helps the channel, and it will definitely help me grow, and gives me a huge amount of encouragement to keep drawing and keep going for the Inktober. So guys, I rely on you. That is why I keep posting. I hope you guys will help me again this time. And keep commenting, because I read all your comments and I definitely reply all your comments. I guess you have seen that. And if you have not, then you can check it. I reply each and every comment. And as I said, if you have questions, you can ask me. I will try to answer even after Inktober. Your suggestions I will take up. If you have any to draw something, then you can write that on the comments. And if you are also trying Inktober, then you can also post that, the link to your social media. I will definitely check it and try to comment on how I felt about all your drawings. So guys, today's prompt, Slippery, I loved drawing it, and I think I did bring out a lot of what I had in mind. So see you tomorrow again in the next prompt. Till then, have a great time, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.